is that? I'm taking a video. Bye, Timothy!
I'm coming.
I'm just a weedy boy. I'm a little boy. I'm a little boy. I'm just a little boy. Yeah.
Hey, what's wrong? Eli's father Ezekiel said that I can't see him anymore.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You did, Katie. Well, that does it. We are going to teach this town how to dance.
Oh, Nick, I'm so sorry. I tried to talk to Eli's father for you, honey, but I don't know if it's my place.
Ezekiel wouldn't listen to you anyway, Lois. You're a woman. These people live in a patriarchal
He doesn't like
society.
He doesn't
The
want
only
to play.
member of our family
He
whose
doesn't
word
want
would
to
carry